guys, welcome back to ST Global channel. So I want to tell you guys that this month of January that we are taking you back to the foundation of sewing. Yes, foundation. So we are doing more of basics in this month of January. So if you are interested, do what to subscribe on this channel, and then do what to share this video, comment, and do what to grab your pattern paper and your fabric. Let's get to work. So this is the pattern paper we are going to be using to draft. So I come in by 1 inch on the side, and then on the top of our dress I also come in by 1 inch, and these are the measurements I'll be using. I will be using my waist measurement, my hip depth, my hip measurement, then the knee, then I'm going to be using above knee, and then I'm going to be using the full length of 26. So you guys, this is it. So I just have to go ahead and calculate everything, and then I start drafting the basic pattern, just as you see me do in this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the biggest part of our body, which is our hip line. I'm going to just go ahead and divide it by 2 and go ahead and mark it, then use my ruler and draw it out, just as you see me do in this video. You guys, I don't know what happened. I actually used a third party app to record this video. The thing was now doing fast and I did not notice until when I finished, you guys. But it is well. So like, we're going to go ahead and divide our hip measurement again. After dividing it by 2, we're going to divide it again and go ahead and trace the point and just go ahead and mark a straight line. We are going to be drafting the back and the front piece inside this one pattern paper. So we're not going to use a different pattern paper. We're going to be drafting together. So this side is the center front, and then we're going to go ahead and mark our side front and our side back, and then the other part is the center back. Just go ahead and label your own like this. So the next measurement is to take from our waistline to our hip depth. So I'm going to do the same thing on the back piece, just as you see me doing this video. So after marking our hip depth, so I'm going to go ahead and mark it and use my ruler and draw it out. Then I'm going to be taking from my waistline to our knee length. So my knee length I use 22. Then from the knee length, I'm just going to mark about 5 inch above. That is our above knee. So I'm marking from our knee length. I just come up by 5 inch to get our above knee. So if the person is short, you can use 4. You can just come up by 4. So I'm just going to go ahead and label all the parts so that I will not be confused. So the next measurement is to go ahead and mark our waist measurement divided by 4, just as you see me doing this video. Just go ahead and mark it like this. Then I will now use my ruler and just join the point together from our hip depth to the waist. So just as you see me do. Then on the back piece, remember that our back piece has a curve, like we have a small curve at the back. So I'm going to just come in by 1 inch, and then I will use my ruler and trace it like this. Then from here I'm going to mark my waist measurement, just as you see me doing this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw it out on the side like this. So you guys, this is it for the waist. And then from here we're going to just come down to the above knee. We're going to come in by 1 inch. Then we're going to do the same thing on the center back, and then we're going to go ahead and just draw the line from that point, from our hip depth down to the hemline, to the length of our skirt. And then we're going to just go ahead and mark the same thing. We're going to use our ruler and draw the line out, just as you see me do. You guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. So the next thing, we're going to go ahead and blend it, our curve ruler, and blend it. You guys, I don't really like this my ruler. It does not always used to give me what I want, so I don't really like it. So just go ahead and blend it like this, just as you see me do in this video. We're going to blend all the parts like this, exactly how I am doing. So you're going to just do the same thing. Please, if you have any question, do well to let me know. Do well to comment in the comment section. If you don't understand, do well to call my attention to it. I am going to respond to you. Thank you so much. So just go ahead and trace all the points just like this, and then we're going to come into from this other side. We're going to come in from our side back like this, and then we're going to still go ahead and mark our 1 inch, and then we're going to use our ruler and draw it out just as you see me do on this video. So you guys, just as I said, I use a third-party app to actually shoot this video. I did not use my normal camera because I wanted it to be clear, but I don't know what happened that the whole thing is just marking fast. So right here, I'm going to come down on the west so that our front west can sit better by 1 inch. Just come down by 1 inch, and then we're going to just go ahead and trace it. So this is our center front, this is our back, that is our back piece. So then you're going to add allowance, sewing allowance on it. So we are going to add sewing allowance to it when you're cutting it on your main fabric. Just go ahead and add sewing allowance, and you guys, this is it. So after cutting it out, you're going to go ahead and mark from your waist to your hip depth to make sure that everything aligned. You're going to mark it. You're going to go ahead and mark it so that you know that everything is equal. If it is not equal, you're going to go ahead and use another pattern paper and join it to make sure that your measurement is equal. So you guys, this is it. Just go ahead and use your normal fabric and then cut it out just as you see me do. Just cut it, and then so you're going to be adding sewing allowance on the side waist. You're going to be adding 1 inch, and then on the zipper you're going to be adding 1 inch, and then on the hemline you're going to be adding 0.5 just to make it give you that pencil shape on the hemline. And then on the side, the both side, you're going to be adding 1.5. So you guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.